Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. Like I said in the last episode, it's now time to clear coat those small pieces. So I have two side trim pieces for the right, either side, and the side wing pieces. So I have already prepared my paint gun, my Devil Biss FLG5. I'm actually using that one for both the red paint and the clear coat. Not really optimal, but I can't really afford to buy another paint gun, and it's a bit too late in the process to switch to running two paint guns. What you also will see in this episode is me preparing the painting area. So I am watering down the floor and adjacent areas, and that has two benefits. The first one is that it will wash the area and sort of tie down the dust in the air. The second one is that it will continue to bring down dust, and in this case while painting it will be paint dust. So by doing this I lessen the spreading of paint dust in the garage, so I don't affect other people's cars. And you might have seen this before, but after that I've painted one coat, I take the water hose and I spray it into the air. So when the solvent and paint dust tries to leave the painting area, it will get caught by the water and brought down to the floor instead of going out in the rest of the garage. So I guess that's it. So let's get to painting. To fasten these to the cardboard box, I take two screws, put one in, and then I force the other one in a little bit, and then it's stuck like that. So I do that in both clip holders, like that, and then I just puncture the cardboard. Like that. And then for the other one. is the result from today's painting. I think I got about 4 layers of clear coat. There are some dust nibs, but those will be gone once I wet sand this. So the result is something that I can be okay with. Usually I do 2 rounds of clear, meaning once this have been drying for a week, I wet sand it and do another round of clear coat, and then wet sand and polish. So we will see what I'll do about this. I can't see any runs, so that's an enormous improvement for me. So this is the end of this episode. I managed to do a bit of clear coating, and I think you got to see a bit more of my process, semi-cleaning the area, how I'm watering down the floor, surrounding areas, and I also keep the water running while painting. Once I put down one layer of clear, I disconnect the water hose and I spray the water through the air just to pick up paint particles and so on. So the fog that you might see in the GoPro videos is not going into the other areas of the garage thanks to this. It also doesn't really smell in the garage, so that's a huge benefit. So I can actually just leave the stuff like this and do some work on some other stuff if I want to. What else? My beard gets styled in a nice way, maybe, after the breathing protection. And it's quite late, so I will go home. So, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.